Alright, we're on a no AC call. Got the air handler set to cool. 68. And we got the indoor fan running. But I don't hear any refrigerant running through the system. Float switch, I checked that. It's good, there's no water in there. So let's go out and take a look at the outdoor unit. Okay, there's our condenser, 1123, and I hear the fan running, but it doesn't sound like there's a compressor running. So we got our disconnect pulled. We'll remove the cover and we'll take a look at the cap. Well, hope it's not that cap. Looks like that was installed on 7/2/21. Let's get the meter out and see what we got. Okay, we're going to go from common to Herm. And we're looking for 35. And it looks like we got 0. Let's go from common to fan. Got 4.9. Let's go back and check common to Herm one more time just to be sure. We got 0. So we got a bad cap. And unfortunately, these are the only caps I have. So didn't even last 2 years. So get this pulled out. Alright, here's our new one. 35/5. Check it out. From common to Herm. 34.8. Now we'll go from common to fan. 4.9. Okay, we got our new one dated. I'm just going to go ahead and remount this. Okay, our brown goes to our fan, which is the 1 terminal. Yellow is our compressor, goes to Herm, 3 terminal. And on these Goodmans, the purple and red go to your common, which has the 4 terminals. Alright, just got the disconnect back in. It's up and running. Can you hear the compressor running? So we'll give it a little bit, see if it starts cooling. Okay, I went ahead and vacuumed the air handler and replaced the air filter while I was waiting for it to stabilize. So now let's go check the temperature on the thermostat and what's coming out of our vent. Okay, it's only been running for about 10 minutes and you can see we already dropped 1 degree. It was 70 in here. I have it set at 68. Let's take a check of the temp here just to see. It's only 58 degrees outside. So we'll see what this is here. We got 47. 46. So just letting it run to make sure everything's working good. Obviously there was never an issue with it not cooling properly, just system stopped cooling altogether. So not going to worry about checking a charge with it being 58 degrees out. So now we know the compressor's working, everything's up and good. So I'm going to put this back to 70 where they had it, and this one's good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.